Hi, I'm Itamar from TME Education. In today's video, we're gonna see how to use RGB LED using registers. So let's dive in. The TME Education board, Arduino based, comes with a RGB LED. R is the pin 9 from the Arduino Uno, G pin 10, and B pin 11. Today we're gonna manipulate the RGB LED using registers. Pin 9, pin 10, pin 11 are from port B register, okay? And pin 9 matches a specified bit in port B register, okay, as well as pin 9 and pin 11. That's the Atmega328P diagram. So the pin 9 matches the pin 1, okay, PB1, and the pin 10 corresponds to pin 2, PB2, and pin 11, PB3. So the port B register has 8 bits, okay, from 0 to 7, okay. So okay guys, for this project you can use this board, okay, Arduino Uno. That's the RGB LED. It has 4 pins, okay. That's the R, G, B, and ground, okay. And we're gonna use the same pins as here, okay. Now let me do that. So that's the RGB LED. So let me, okay guys, that's the ground, okay. Ground is black. That's the blue, okay, the blue LED. That's the G green LED, and that's the red LED, okay. Okay guys, the green red is going to pin 9, the same here, and G to pin 10, okay. G 11 is the blue, and ground here is the, okay, ground is going to ground, okay. Now time to compose our program. Let us write our program. So the DDRB register determines whether the pin is an input or output. If the pin is an input, we set it to 0. If not, we set it to 1. In this case, pin 9, 10, 11 are output pins, okay. So we set them to 1, okay, 1 1, okay. So we're done here. in void loop function we're gonna use the port B, okay, to control whether the pin is high or low. Now here they are output pin 9, 10, 11, okay, they are output pins 10, 9 and 11. Okay, we're done. Okay, now void loop for B, okay, it has 8 bits, okay, and here we're gonna say that the pin 9 is high and the other 2 pins are low. Okay, so pin 9, only pin 9 is high, okay, only 9, okay, and pin 10, 11 are low, okay, to ground. Okay, now we're gonna wait 500 milliseconds, and I'm going to cap that, okay, these instructions, okay, and I paste them down here, okay, and this time pin 10 is high, okay, and pin 9 and 11 are low. Again, I think I don't need to cap that, but okay, it's okay. So here we wait again 500 milliseconds. Now this time the pin 11 is high, okay, and the pin 9 and 10 are low, and we still wait 500 milliseconds. Now I'm going to send the program to TME Education board first, okay. Okay, we're gonna wait some. We're gonna wait a little bit, okay. Okay, the program was sent. Okay guys, that's for TME Education board, and it's working, okay. We see red, green and blue lights, okay. Now we're gonna do we're gonna try using the Arduino Uno board, okay, this one, okay. I'm going to unplug, okay, and let us connect that here. Okay guys, we got to know that here the red light is set to high, and we're gonna wait 500 milliseconds. Here the green light is high, we wait 500 milliseconds. Here is the blue light, okay, not green blue, only blue light, and we wait 500 milliseconds. Now we have to send it to Arduino Uno, only Arduino Uno, not TME Education board, Arduino based. We'll send the program to Arduino Uno, okay. It's almost done, okay, it's okay now, okay, it's okay. That's for the Arduino Uno, okay, so it's working pretty well, okay. So guys, that's it.